following events are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Muncie, Anderson, Noblesville, Alexandria, Yorktown, Cicero, Chesterfield, LaPel, Edgewood, Franklin, Arcadia, Daleville, Selma, Atlanta, Country Club Heights, Woodlawn Heights, River Forest, Ball State University, and Ferry Creek Reservoir. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Henry, Madison, and Tipton. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Monday, July 25th through Sunday, July 31st calls for temperatures to be above normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normal highs for the period are around 85 degrees and normal lows are around 65. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.85 and 0.90 inches. On Monday will be 9.